I promise you this is the easiest yet most amazing nude makeup look. It's simple to do, requires no special skills and can be done in just a few minutes. Just need a brown base and shine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more incredible ideas.
I'm not in the mood, but you'll be here soon. Everything feels wrong, guess I'm just in a bad mood. Feeling broken hearted over something that never was. Never was, never was. Ooh, I thought it'd be me and you. Ooh, I guess it wasn't true. If I only knew what you put me through, I don't deserve this. I thought it'd be me and you. Hard to be your friend when you act this way.